As you open the doors, walk through the corridors, centres and halls, classrooms, theatres, libraries and labs, you can hear it, feel it, touch it, be part of it. Minds working, creativity thriving, dreams being realised, potential recognised. A silence before that eureka moment. Creating opportunities and changing lives for the people we care about and the communities we serve. That doesn't just mean anything to us, it means everything to us. Kindness, unity, excellence, our values mean something. They shape our decisions, our behaviours and our outcomes. We might not know each other well yet, but what we do know is this. Kindness is the foundation that we build on. That's what we build you up from. It's where we start to shape our futures. And unity, it's not just a word, it's a passion. It's how we come together to support each other, sharing our knowledge and celebrating our successes. And when you hear us say excellence, it's not a pressure we put on you. Excellence is a promise we make to you. It's a promise we make to each other. You see, together, we are mighty. Teacher, student, colleague, friend, we all play a part. We cheer each other on. And you may ask what drives us. Well, that's simple. Because in our communities, we're about supporting change and creating opportunities.